Good morning, folks. Today is September 14th. It is roughly around 8:30 a.m. in the morning. I just sent my kid off to school, and I noticed something in the front yard. Some animal friends left me a little sign of something going on. Come out here, I didn't notice it at first. My kid noticed it. We're sitting here, he's like, "Daddy, holes!" Well, my yard, front yard, just my front yard, is littered with little holes. I think it was a skunk rooting around in the grass. All over. All over. This looks like little miniature asteroid impacts. The reason I say I think it's a skunk is because I found this. Little scat. Yeah, I thought it was kind of funny. Just the front yard. Neighbor's yard don't have it. Goes around the side of the house over here, ends right about there, comes back all over, just little holes everywhere. Everywhere. Like it's just been impacted with meteors or something. Neighbor over there, they don't have any holes. Neighbor on that side don't have any holes, but my front yard is littered with holes. I think my animal friends are trying to tell me something. Either that or I just got damn good grass. Good day, folks.